The study, we can find this on the internet. It's Gartner's AI in the Enterprise Survey. This was done during 2023, and it actually goes into the details. 52% are never making it into production, and it identifies like these are the top reasons. Some of them are estimating and demonstrating AI value. In Wozik's case, we don't even start the project without a solid business case, right? So it's 100% aligning with our observations, but coming from Gartner is a huge validation for us. So I'm particularly excited about this particular study. The other one that they highlighted is lack of talent and skills. This is an emerging technology. Not everyone has the experience of doing these types of things. It takes time to train them. And then they're doing some of these things for the first time, figuring out how to do these things. And remember, it's not just about creating an AI model for something. This, for full potential realization, this is operationalizing, proving the ROI, demonstrating the success, making sure that the project turns on the successful side of realizing the value, not just creating the technology that collects dust, right? The other one that they highlighted is lack of confidence in the technological aspects of AI. Can AI really do this? Some of this looks magical, right? And the next one, we see this all the time. Your top numbers might be different. Maybe skills might be number one for you. Maybe data might be number two for you, right? Whatever that might be. But these are kind of interesting to see from the Gartner study that was as recent as 2023. We hear this lack of data all the time. We are in the process of migrating from this CRM to that CRM, or we don't have a full CRM implemented, or maybe our sales solution is different from our customer support solution, which is different from our field support solution, right? So, we hear this objection all the time, thinking that they're not ready, and we have a totally different opinion on that, how to mitigate that data situation, and we will talk about, our approach there. And then the other ones are lack of trust in AI. AI is saying that this is a high converting customer, spend all the time in closing that particular deal. How do I have the confidence to work on that? AI is saying, make this particular offer. How do I have the confidence in making that particular offer, right? So it's that trust angle. So instead of black box AI, we have our own ways of explaining that AI. We call it explainable AI. So many of these things are highly resonating with how we talk, what we hear from our prospects, and also when we deliver tens of millions of data, how did we overcome these challenges? So the takeaway from here is everybody wants AI. It has trillions of dollars in potential for the global GDP. For your own organization, whether you have 100,000 customers, 500,000 customers, million customers, upwards of that, I think all these things will be challenges that you will have to overcome on top of bringing the technology, right?